What's up? We active.
We act. In me.
Right? Dry rub, chicken wings, honey, habanero.
Okay.
Caramel.
What you gotta say to her?
Good word. It don't matter what you're going through.
Right.
Trust in the Lord, He shall provide.
That's it. Right chicken for me.
Yo, Lando. Prime time Lando in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking. Jamaica on me.
Closures on Florida 540 West.
Shalom. All right, be quiet, GPS. What's going on, people? It's your boy, Mr. Lando. What? Mr. Lando? No. Start over. Shalom. What's going on, people? It's your boy, Prime Time Lando, and I am the man, though. Yeah, I like that. That's better. That intro is better. I like that. Now, that first intro, I don't know what. I think I put Prime Time Lando and I am the Mando together. I don't know what's going on. But look, it's a beautiful day, man. Humans, the Most High woke us up. We're here. If you're watching this, you are blessed. Your purpose is still here on this earth. Overstand. Yeah, your purpose is still here. So check me out. Y'all gonna spend the day with me. Right now, I'm currently out of town. I don't know if y'all watched my last video. If you didn't, go watch it. I was in Tampa yesterday, right? So I'm headed to church. One of my boys invited me to church, so that's what I'm doing. If you didn't know, I finished high school in Tampa. So yeah, that's what it is. I'm gonna get up with him right now. I'm actually like an hour out. I'm supposed to be there at 11, and the GPS say 11:30. Come on, man. Orlando, your motto is if you're on time, you're late. If you're early, you're on time. But look, you super late, boy. It's all good though. But that's what it is. We en route though, and y'all with me. We going to church today. Y'all gonna spend the whole day with me. I'm sure there's gonna be some exciting things going on today. I got some stuff planned for y'all, so stay tuned. All right? What going on?
What's up, baby?
I'm en route, man.
I got you.
Yeah, I'm en route, man. What time you gonna reach there?
I'm here right now. I gotta be at pre-service prayer, so I'm pulling up now.
Dang, that boy on time, boy. Okay. I'm running a little bit behind. GPS say 11:30.
Nah, church don't start till 11, bro.
Okay, I'll be there at 11:30 though.
11:30? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to save you a seat. Bro.
Man, they know I'm coming, man. I'm VIP, man.
I got you. Be right.
I'll be there though.
Okay, my brother.
All right then.
See you shortly.
Yeah, he early. He always late too, man. How come all of a sudden he early, man? That man be late for everything. Nah, maybe he's changed. He's changed, man. He's early. Big play, big play rate. We coming. Pause. We pulling up. Yeah.
Teach me how to see people through your eyes. I don't want to meet your.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
Oh, GPS just brought me to an unnecessary route, I'm sure. Okay, I thought it was a roundabout. Okay. You belong here. It's a big church. The Crossing Church, okay. Dang, where the heck I'm parking at? Oh, they deep, ain't they? Look at that. I don't even know where the heck to park. I should have parked right there. I'm guessing I should have parked back there. But I'm VIP. I'm God's special son. So he put me up front. I don't even know where the church at first. First of all, I gotta find the church. Oh, the church back there. Okay. Exit parking. Okay, I'm going this way. Hey, boy, they got this thing. Whoa! This thing. Hey. Okay then. Exit. I'm trying to park. Man, this thing confusing. What the heck? What the heck? Drop off only, no parking. Where the heck you park at? How you doing? Trying to park. I know that sign. I see that sign says exit.
Yeah, there's parking back here.
Okay.
You can just fill in wherever you see
And this is the
spot.
entrance, right?
Entrance. We got one on that side that you'll come down through, and you'll come in on that side. I'm Trent, by the way.
Orlando.
What is it?
Orlando.
Orlando. So good to meet you, man.
Likewise, man.
Appreciate you being here. All right, I'll see you inside.
All right. So, all right, we here. I'm gonna text my boy. That's why he said, see if I can hold you a seat. Oh, okay. It's a big church. Big church, man. Let me text him. I'm here. Put my shoes on. Nah, I be in my trucker mode. I drive with socks. Well, I don't even got socks on right now, but when I'm in the truck, y'all, I don't drive with shoes. I drive with socks. As soon as I get in, that's my house. Where's my socks? As soon as I get in, gotta figure out where to go in. Hey, should have came on time, sir. Yeah, I'm cutting across the grass. Come on, Lando, why you cutting across the people in grass? This parking lot is swole, though. All right. He said he right in front of the stage. VIP, I guess. Hey, you know you don't really want to go in front of the stage. All right. Let's see what we walking into.
Who we are, our history, and where we're going so that you can be.
It's very, very important. Steve 8 is to be completely in shalom on the inside. He said, I've told you these things so that in me, everybody say in me.
In me.
In me, right? You may have peace. That word shalom. You may have peace. In this world, you will have trouble. We're like, yeah, we know. In this world, you're going to have trouble. But take heart. Be encouraged. Be strong. Be courageous. Take heart. Why? Because I have overcome the world. I've overcome the world. And so, whatever things are shaken in our life, we just need to remember that if we stay attached to Jesus and He's the center portion of our life, just bring me all the broken pieces.
Come on, man.
Thank you, Lord. And inside of Christ, all of the parts that you're trying to manage, you say to Him, it's so free.
So I'm waiting. I'm just sat here sitting. I don't know where my boy at, but he did get up like he served, so he probably serving or something like that. I'm just sitting. Nice vibe. They got a little courtyard out here, so I'm just chilling out here. It's peaceful. I could be in the car, yes. I'm good right here. Just gonna sit right here and wait on them. That's where I'm at. It's the church right here. It's a big church though. All right, people, so my boy finally called me. I ended up in the car, man. I've been waiting, man. Church been over since like 12:30. It's 1:13. He finally called me. So what we about to do, we about to go somewhere and eat. He suggested a spot. So yeah, this is a food vlog also. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna go see what this food gonna hit for, what this food is hitting for. So yeah, we're gonna do a review on it. Yeah, for sure. We're vlogging the whole day and I still gotta go to my auntie's house. I have to eat my auntie dinner. She made me dinner. She cooked food specifically for me. Don't call me greedy. So we doing that too, but stay tuned. I had to drive to this little neighborhood, man. This is a nice neighborhood. Shout out to Apollo Beach. It's a nice neighborhood, and at the end, now this look like a shopping center. That's crazy. That's different. Okay. It is somewhere over here. Okay, Crunch right there. Shout out to Crunch. Nice little gym right there. Greek. You know, I'm chosen, so watch God put me up front. Watch this. That's the restaurant right there. Gotta be a spot up front for me. I know this. Is that him? I think that's him right there. I let him have it. Okay then. Alright, you come. I don't know what you're doing. That truck too big for you. Whoever driving, they can't handle that truck. Clearly. You can't handle that truck. Not gonna lie to y'all, it is hot. It's hot. Oh my gosh, it's hot. Whew. Waiting on him to come out the car. He was in front of me. Good slingshot. I almost bought one of those. I was gonna put it on Turo. Big plate. What's up, man? Ask me.
Yo, what's up? What's up, my brother? We active.
We activated.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We headed to Greyson, man. You ever been here?
Nah, I ain't never heard of it.
Greyson, yo, man. We got that good word. We're gonna sit down and I really want to hear what you got, man. I appreciate you showing up.
Oh yeah.
Appreciate you showing up.
Shout out to Greyson. All right. Okay. What we got over here?
Now we got some habanero dry rub chicken wings, honey habanero.
Okay.
Stuff gotta happen, bro.
Bro, you can start right now. We can start. Come talk to the camera real quick.
He ready for that camera light. He ready for that camera light.
What you gotta say to him?
I got a word. It don't matter what you're going through.
Right.
Trust in the Lord, and He shall provide, brothers.
That's it.
Brothers and sisters, He will provide. No matter what you're going through, He shall make it come through. And remember that. Forge your faith, baby.
There you go.
I love that.
Shout out to Rock.
Hey. Shout out to Rock, man. Mr. B2 up in the building. Myron Ray in the building. And I just got one word. If you remove yourself, He'll put you on that shelf. I promise you that. You know, remove yourself, humble yourself under His mighty hand, and He'll exalt you. All right? That's what I got. Mwah, shine bright. Let's go. Huh.
Right. All right, brother.
All right, bro. Blessings.
All right,
Yep.
I'll link up with you.
Yeah, I'm with that, bro. I'm with that.
Yes, sir. All right, people, you still with me? Are you there? That's the question. Are you there? What's the name of that place again? I don't know. Greyson. I'm gonna go this way, Lando. Greyson. Shout out to Greyson. I didn't eat much because I knew that my aunt cooked some food, and she cooked specifically for me, so I couldn't eat too much. But I did get some grouper fingers, something like that. It was good. I love the grouper fingers. Was delicious, actually. It was delicious. My guy Ray had Philly cheesesteaks, chicken wings. I think he had 2 sets of chicken wings. No, 1 set of chicken wings and Philly cheesesteak. But you know, he's a bodybuilder, so he could afford to eat what the heck he wanted to eat. And it was a beautiful conversation, man. I definitely got to come back up here more. I got to hang out with my guy more, man. We was in that word. It was in that word. It's nothing like being around like-minded individual, kingdom ambassadors, and that he is a kingdom ambassador. Great conversation, man. He got a story too, people. One day I'm gonna give y'all the story. I'm gonna let him tell y'all his story, man. He definitely got a story. He coming from far. Then as we walked outside, cause we was in the spirit. We ran across the gentleman. Used at the end. Shout out to Rock. Shout out to Rock. Rock was right there. It wasn't a coincidence that we met up and then we connected. Had a prayer in the middle of the parking lot. Yeah, middle of the parking lot. Pray for each other. That's what we need more in the community, man. But yeah, you guys are with me. I'm headed to my aunt's house right now. They already called me. It's 3 o'clock. She had dinner done at 8 o'clock this morning. So we go, look. Dinner ready. This is how I want my Sunday to be from now on. Dinner is ready. What time is it?
See the time, 8:57.
8:57. Dinner is ready. I'm headed over there right now. Right? Stay tuned. I got something for y'all. Hey, wait till the end. Just watch till the end. You're gonna see something. I got something for you.
Just I live life. Thank you every morning when we see the light.
Oh man. Long drive. Right, guys. I'm by my auntie house. I'm gonna go eat some food, man. She cooked for me, so I gotta eat it. I'm not super hungry, but I can eat because all I ate was, as you can see in the video earlier. Well, dang, I feel like I'm tired. Am I talking like I'm tired? Some grouper fingers. It was more bread than anything. They breaded more than anything. So that's what we're doing, guys. Excuse me. Oh my gosh.
Come on, man.
That's what we're doing though. Let's go. All right. Eat some good food. I know. You understand. Wow. Fried chicken for me. It's like right here. This the one D'Angelo was looking at. All right, people. This is what we got today. This is just half, people. And take the other half for later.
They say Fabian not tell me. When I say, why you sound like that? What happened? Fabian I tell you. I said Fabian didn't just walk in here.
Yeah, Fabian didn't know.
Fabian don't know not that first thing they hear. Fabian shot.
Boy, that's sad. Oh boy. So life going on.
Oh my God! Wow! Here today is like a box of chocolate. I'm telling you.
Probably ain't never gonna get married again.
We can't never overcome that brain.
You're gonna have a fear. You're gonna be able.
Not going to no restaurant where you take
Yep.
Never, huh?
Just up to the camera. Yeah, alright. Oh man, y'all can say something. I'm gonna say y'all star right now. Say something.
No, for sure.
People, we just ate some good yardie food. And now we're relaxing, chillaxing. I don't know what I got planned next, but wait till the next scene. Boss, a bill. 45 minutes too long, you know. Then should I give them about like 10 or 15 minutes? Yeah, 45 minutes too long. Him don't lose, he might do too much. I'm not afraid of them, man. I'm not afraid of your neighbor, man. Them better afraid of me. What's going on, chef? Listen, I don't. Let me tell you something. I'm in a space in my life where I will call the police. I have no fear for call the police. I'm not a snitch or not, I'm a civilian. Call the police quick. Eh? Me take it, come on rich, you know. I'm at that space where I feel like I can control it. I'm vlogging, by the way. Oh yeah, oh, you thought I was, you opened the door, you saw the camera? Chef, where I going?
Yeah, please, I'm giving them.
All right, now I show them your money, because I don't want them see you looking like that.
Like a bum.
People, the chef is looking like a bum, so I'm not going to let y'all see him. But the chef is here, have no fear. Chef D, what's up? What you got going on? Chilling? Oh, no cooking no food?
Cook food.
I'm just checking, People, they don't have no food for us, so that's what we're doing. We're gonna chill over here for right now. You know? Cherish! As we can see, it's another day. It's a Monday, and this is how my Monday has started. Let me show y'all where I'm at. Yeah. My Monday has started at the mechanic shop with the truck. I think we got to do something with my leveler. With the leveler, now I done fixed this about 2-3 times. By 2 times already, not 2-3 times. This is the 3rd time. And I don't know if you know, but I had a flat Friday, blown tire. Matter of fact, I was driving and the tire just went left. But either way, it was a beautiful weekend, man. I'm not even gonna hold y'all long. I just booked the Uber to pick me up. It was a beautiful weekend. I enjoyed the weekend. I enjoyed the company of my homeboy, just being around him and being like-minded and kingdom ambassadors. He's definitely the kingdom ambassador for sure. Enjoyed being around my family. Any chance I get to spend time with family, I spend time with them, because and once you become an adult, you don't spend time with your family as much as you would like to anymore, because we all got so much going on. We're moving around. We got to handle bills. It would never be the same. Once you become an adult, for those young people, if you're watching, it would never be the same. Once you move out, it would never be the same. You probably would never live in the same household again with your brother, your sister, your siblings, ever again, your parents. So, anytime I get time to spend time with family, I definitely do that. I start off the day with my dad. We went walking. I should have recorded that, but I didn't. I think I did. Went to church, spent time with my homeboy. We haven't seen him I seen him a couple months ago, but just spending time with him. Just I value the older I get, I start to value relationships with family and friends. Spend some time with my brothers, cousins. It's a beautiful day. Hopefully I enjoyed it, because y'all was there too. I spent some time with y'all. And now this is my Monday, and this is how we starting it off. All right? That's how we starting it off. It's your boy Lando. I am the Lando. Make sure you keep God first. Whatever you do, man, everything will be okay. Put yourself inside of the gloves of God, man. Hey, I'm out. It's your boy Lando. Whoa.